There are some things that you need to avoid in order to make sure that your writing comes off as more assertive or confident. Let's go over 3 pieces of advice that will help your writing so that people can believe in the ideas that you give them, and so that people will believe that you are a professional writing about this subject that you have studied. Before getting into these 3 tips, let me start by inviting you to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel and helps us make more videos to help you in your writing or other assignments. Now with that in mind, let me give you this first bit of perspective on what you should do in writing. You want to be able to create a line between what you personally believe and the ideas and actions that you bring to the table with your writing. Being able to bring this balance between who you are subjectively and objectively will help establish rapport or respect for your writing and your ideas. And now let's get down to that first tip.
Number 1. Avoid writing in the third person. Phrases like "I believe," "in my opinion" are sometimes distracting. By removing these phrases, the reader's focus will be on your ideas, not on you as a writer, which is more immersive and convincing. Number 2. Learn to distinguish between passive voice and active voice. Depending on what you want the focus of your sentence to be on, know that you can choose active or passive voice to focus on things you did or things that you want to focus on, like the subject. In this example, passive voice may be preferred in order to focus more on the subject of the research instead of the writer. Number 3. Avoid biased language. Fairness is the mark of a mature writer. There are numerous resources to understand more on how your writing can become more inclusive, but here are a few tips that cover ideas like age, gender, sexual orientation, ethnicity, and disability.
These are just a few things that you could incorporate into your writing, but they make a big difference in order to make you appear more confident and professional in your writing. With that in mind, join us in the next video for more about revising an essay. Now with that, my name is Mark Maslar, and these are the 7 phases of great essay writing. I hope to see you next time, and happy writing, everyone.